I was kind of floundering about. I'd been doing it for about a year, officially for a year, and incorporated for about 4 months, but still really didn't know what direction to take and how to achieve where I wanted to go.
And I'm parent partner for Harmonium at Southeast County Mental Health. I've been working as a parent partner for going on 8 years.
After taking the training for Pathways to Partnership, it really helped me to get a better understanding on what it was that I needed to do pertaining to my job as being a family youth partner out in the field.
My life before I came to the Pathways, for this training, it was kind of a little bit just the same, because I was involved, in prison ministry, so it's kind of a little bit related where I'm taking this training for. It's about advocating and helping people.
Before I came to the Pathways to Partnership training, I knew that I was doing work as a parent partner, but I really didn't know what it involved and who I would be affecting as far as partnerships and collaborations within my community. Of mental health, I do mental health referrals and work, and I'm a mental health consumer. I'm also a child welfare services consumer, or someone who has been involved with child welfare services. And what I find is that this Pathways to Partnership really just encompasses all of the work that we do as a family partner or parent partner or a youth partner, youth mentor.
After the training, it kind of again, refocused me, and it gave me a real purpose of being here and trying to work with the family, because it gave me more that structure, and it gave me I can always refer back, to the training, to the paperwork, what my goals were, to see where I'm at, with the goals that I set during that training. So it was really good. Like I said, it really focused me, and I'm kind of excited now, because I get to use a lot of the skills that was given to me during that training, and go and start, groups and working with my families and the parents and the children.
Okay. But different what I knew before. That when I go out there, I'm a little bit prepared. What I have just learned, from this training, which was more involved with the youth and the county, and maybe a little bit more about for the probation, what I wanted to become in the future too, that is going to help me, and how to deal with this kind of situations, working with different people and different cultures, different ethics words, and it impacted me so much in my life, that I have learned different stuff from them, too,
Okay, wonderful.
Looking for trainings to improve, and find different ways to working with families. So the training was another training, to go to learn more ways to work with families, and how to go out there and start groups of my own, and very encouraging. They kind of really encouraged us, to go out there, and give back to the community. So that was good.
Okay.
Grouped me after being kind of separated and out there alone. So it kind of regrouped me and kind of focused me back into the job that I love, and working with the people, in the community. So it kind of refocused me a little bit more, and being connected with the new family members that are coming in.
It meant for me to help my clients to mainstream back out in society, take their life back, and to also let them know that they weren't the only ones that have been in these shoes. It also taught me how to deal with the clinicians and the doctors at the clinic that I deal with, and I have a better understanding of how to deal with them. And we sit down and we teamwork more, and we just sit down and talk about things.
I have a support group on Thursday nights, and I was able to send some of my parents that were attending, they were attending my group for services, actually, through the child welfare system, but they were becoming mentors in their own right, becoming partners with other parents that were going through the same things that they had gone through. And so I sent them to the Pathways to Partnership training, and the information they came back with, immediately I realized that it's something that I should take and that some more of my parents should take, whether they were really partners at that time or not. So I know what I really wanted to target, and coming to that Pathways to Partnership training helped me to focus a little bit, narrow down what it was I was trying to accomplish. It also helped me to recognize the Pathways to Partnerships included paperwork on our local community leaders and like supervisors of, county supervisors and stuff, which enabled me to reach out and search out those same people, which I didn't know how to find those people. I didn't know what a memorandum of understanding was. I didn't know what some of those things were until coming to that training, and I was able to use what I gained there on a step-by-step basis on how to further make my organization work. Coming to this Pathways to Partnership, I met young folks that were involved with the youth advocacy piece, and I was able to meet grandparents and kinship parents, all of which are the outside areas that I work with, which is the parent themselves. So in getting to know all these different components, I'm able to refer a lot of different people to the Pathways to Partnership training, which includes the parents of the parents I work with, the youth of the parents that I work with, and sending these same parents and grandparents and kinship parents to the training to be able to reach out to their community. So I can tell you that for me it's a big part of what this community needs in order.
I highly recommend it to anyone that's starting out in this field or needs to take their life back, because it was an excellent program. And thank you, Pathway to Partnership.